The recording is on. Great. So let me share my screen. So today we have at Breakout Room 1. I have 6 companies with me today. So each will have 3 minutes to pitch. I shall not stall any more time and move on with first we will have BaseN. So Carlos, can you have a 3-minute pitch now?
Yes, thank you very much, Jackie. I will share my screen if possible. So I am Carlos Canto from, I will override your presentation.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
That is fine for you.
Yes.
Yes. Just a second.
Okay.
All right. I am Carlos Canto and I am from BaseN from Finland. And I am speaking about BaseN as the company. We have...
I don't see your slide, so yeah. You want to try sharing your screen again?
Yes, okay. Now I should work out.
Okay, great.
Good. So we are a full stack mission critical application. And what we do is to provide solutions to our customers and we help them to generate value and deploying BaseN technology. We help them to enter into the smart city world, into the smart city business. It is called business on BaseN. So that means that we bring the needs of our customers, we bring the resources, we match with the experience and technology of BaseN, and then we provide with new businesses and diversification of their offerings with exponential growth. This is very easy because we have an in-house technology that has been deployed, is working since 2001. We have very strong reliability that has been taking place throughout the years and acting as a software as a service. That means that if our customers want to enter into the IoT business, into the smart city business, we provide with the technology, with the infrastructure, with the servers, with back-end connectivity, and so forth. This is our list of customers. We have operations over 80 countries, all in all. And the data is very straightforward. It goes into the BaseN platform, is processed, it's mixed with external data sources, and we give intelligence to our customers, and then we provide value added. We have been listed in 2018 by Gartner as one of the top 10 companies in the digital city. Smart City Kalasatama is one of our projects, smart vessels, and grid loss reduction projects. Here, I am mentioning on the top a link with an event we are taking place in November. If you want to get to know more, please join. It's for free, and I hope to see you over there. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Carlos. So next from BaseN, so next we have from Connected Finland, can we have Marku?
Yes, hello again.
Hi, so you can share your slides and we will start with your 3-minute pitch.
Sure.
So meanwhile, you're setting up for attendees, you can post your Q&A in the group, in the Q&A chat, and we will take on the questions later. Okay, so you may start now.
Perfect. So hello again from Connected Finland. We are an IoT solutions provider and also a network operator here in Finland and in Estonia for Sigfox powered IoT devices. We are part of world's biggest unified IoT ecosystem, Sigfox technology. We have hundreds of customers using our solutions in more than 40 countries, and being part of Sigfox ecosystem means that we have partner operators in 75 countries currently globally. So it's completely global, completely unified. And the partner operator in Singapore particularly is Unabis, and we are collaborating with Unabis on a weekly basis. A couple of words about the technology and the unique selling point. So it's ultra low power, super energy efficient, low cost sensor technology, out of the box, global, works maintenance free for years, and this is the technology we are using in our solutions. Solutions areas, we are covering smart buildings, which is our focus area. There we do the energy efficient building solutions, indoor air quality devices and solutions, as well as smart office occupancy monitoring solutions. On asset tracking, we are focusing on asset management, utilization, fleet optimization, kind of industrial use cases. And then we also have tailored and more industrial capabilities. We've been developing some tailor-made solutions for customer-specific use cases. All of these can be supported by our own Foxer IoT software platform for data analytics. But of course, we can also plug in our devices and solutions to any other third-party software service. Just a quick overview what we have in our off-the-shelf global product portfolio. So 12 different sensor solutions and products we are able to deliver, and we are constantly delivering globally to our partners and customers. All of these are using Sigfox connectivity technology. In smart city context, I would like to highlight the HVAC monitoring, indoor air quality and occupancy monitoring systems. But anything in smart buildings really is doable for us. So for example, particle matters, VOCs, movement, pressure difference, these kind of parameters we are able to collect very cost efficiently. My contact information is here. So looking forward to stay in touch. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Markku, from Connected Finland. So next from Norway, we have Paul Christian from Nornir.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm here.
Hi, Paul. Can you share your slides? Yes.
Yes.
We saw it a moment ago. Yes.
Yes. My name is Paul Christian. I'm a founder and CEO of the company Nornir. Nornir is a deep tech company. We research and develop distributed systems. Our new product, we call it SyncHive. It's a real-time web collective network. And basically what we are doing is that we're using the web as the platform for sharing data among IoTs and AI systems. So by using linking, you can transform data to the right context across domains, across silos, and you can share data among different providers of sensing devices. You basically connect different technologies together using new technology for the web. And we also offer a distributed operating system. This is kind of a blockchain-ish operating system where you can have access control and change owner of sensors. Like if you buy a sensor, you can move the ownership of the sensor to another user, and another user can without any installation or programming, they can take over the sensor and use it for their purpose. So it's an effective way for linking data. And we are building like a horizontal marketplace where providers of data and analytic services for the consumer, they can find each other, link each other, share data in real time. And this is like a more effective way of sharing data. And it's a new technology that we bring to the market. We have our first launch in November next month, and hopefully this will be the future standard for how smart city and IoT works. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Paul from Nornir. Next, we have Haltian from Finland. Juha, please.
Yes, please give me a second. I will share my screen. Okay. Can you see it?
Yes, it's loading. Great, you can start now.
Very good. So thank you very much, Jacqueline. Thank you very much, all the listeners. I'm happy to talk a little bit about the Haltian. So Haltian is a Finnish IoT company, Our target is basically to make the IoT easy, and we've found a solution and equipment to do that. So we've been founded in 2012. We have more than 100 people in-house, all senior experts, customers across the world in plus 20 countries, including Asia Pacific. So our focus areas are basically in the three segments. One is industrial or traditional industry areas where we have smart factory solutions. So basically what we do in the smart factory solutions, we help clients to increase safety and quality and reduce operational cost. Just to give an example that we've been creating sensors, environment, air, etc. for harsh conditions to better suit the factory, outdoor and other high demand environments. Just to name a few cases, measuring temperature in a high voltage components, and from this data make the plan on the maintenance on components. Another area is smart washroom solutions, and especially nowadays it's critical to avoid and minimize the exposure of people in washrooms. Here we can do the client on demand cleaning services based on this. Then last but not least, the facilities. This is mainly for clients to improve workforce well-being and space optimization. And in all segments we're trusted by industry leaders, as you can see below. How it is done is that we have sensors for all kinds of different areas: environment, distance, air, vibration, and so on. All these sensors are in a mesh network, which actually helps us to come up with the cost savings, but also the ease of installation and ease of maintenance. They are connected to a gateway where we are then connected either to our operational cloud or then the customer's own cloud, or our own service point, which is an empathic building, which I mentioned earlier. So there, from our environment, we're then integrating to any platform a client uses. And I'm more than happy to discuss more later on. I'm based here in Singapore, so also one-to-one face-to-face meetings are available. And all the information about the products and solutions you can find from our webpage, haltian.com. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Juha, for Haltian. Next, we have from Finland, SmartWatcher, Pauli, please.
Oh, hello. Let me see. Share the screen. Just a second. So you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm Pauli from SmartWatcher. We are an IoT company that specializes in real-time and high-quality indoor quality monitoring to our professional customers on global level. With our sensors, you can be sure that your air is safe. You can be sure the ventilation is working as it should. Likewise, if you're using an air purifier, you know it's working. But that's not all. It has been proven in studies that, as an example, learning capability is improved when students are in healthy, clean indoor air compared to the normal air. Likewise, the productivity is increasing, and of course, there's less sick days when the air we're breathing is clean. We have a device. There's a picture of it. We have all the sensors in it, so it's very easy to operate. It's today measuring CO2, temperature, relative humidity, total volatile organic compounds, and fine particles in different sizes. We're also testing new sensors for formaldehyde, carbon monoxide, and ozone. They should be available around the beginning of the next year. Technology is developed and made in Finland. It's very easy technology. Just plug it and play. It starts to monitor. Data is sent via 4G. There's no setup needed. We have our own online dashboard. It's also simple and easy to use. You can have automated reports, alarms, etc. But also there's advanced features for professional users like data download. And if you want to transfer the data to your own system, we have the API interfaces. Why SmartWatcher? We are using very accurate quality sensor. The data is reliable. But we're also working closely in research with universities, mainly with Aalto University in Finland. That's the biggest university and well known also in Singapore. So we're not only putting sensor, we know what to do with the data. We are present in Singapore with professional partners to support you locally. We have a solid experience, thousands of sites monitored since our beginning. Our company was established 2016. We are in schools, kindergartens, hospitals, airports, etc. Like I mentioned, the research we are doing as an example, visualization in laser scan 3D spaces, and also ventilation control to prevent COVID exposure in both in marine and the project in buildings. In Singapore, we are looking for business opportunities, pilot sites, and partners. So you have contact information there. So please contact me if you want to know more about us and our offering. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pauli from SmartWatcher. Last but not least, we do have a company from Norway again, Disruptive Technologies. Eric, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Good. And you can see the presentation?
Yes.
Thanks for joining this event. My name is Erik Tervåg, and I'm the proud founder and president of Disruptive Technologies. We provide the world's smallest wireless sensor. It's the size of a postage stamp, gathering data from everywhere. And this is it. In fact, what we do is a revolution. The world's smallest wireless sensor, it is stamp sized, it's only 2 millimeters thick. It's on 24/7 real-time measurements. And with that, it has a battery lifetime being always on of 15 years. We manage the cellular connection, manage the cloud, and have a REST API, all inclusive at a fraction of the cost of others. So typically we have applications and analytics on top of us. And we raised more than 40 million euro. And we have our own semiconductors, we have our own built manufacturing line in Germany, and we released our product in the EU last year and US this year. So just wanted to skim through some of the sensors that we have. We have touch, which is a button. We have temperature from -40 to +85 in the same sensor, proximity, 4 millimeter, water detection and humidity, and there's endless of new types to come. We deliver a complete system with one-stop shop. And we're agnostic to the use cases. So I'll go through some of them. Power grid is one of them, where we can take more than 100 kilovolt per meter in a sensor. So for these applications, that's really hard to monitor with wireless equipment, and wires can't be used there. Restroom efficiency and hygiene, which has also been mentioned earlier. We're doing that with a global framework agreement with ISS. Desk occupancy, real-time analytics on where people are sitting on desks. With JLL, we're doing Legionella and water flow issues, detecting water flow issues, and just generally leakage, where you can place these stamps everywhere and detect if there is leakage, or for level. Asset tracking as well, so to know if equipment is in a room or outside, and if it's in use or not, real time. We released our product 2 weeks ago with an Alphabet company named Sidewalk Labs, so you can see that. And there's really good ROI from our partners on many of these use cases. Not go into detail here. That's our partner's responsibility. We won a lot of awards. Gartner Cool Vendor and TÜV for quality, and the world's best PropTech with MIPIM. And 2 days ago, or last week, we also won the Vedantix Award for the best corporate PropTech technology, together with Verizon in the US. So opportunities, product rollouts, increase the partners of IoT ecosystem out there, growth management. We're fundraising next year, very likely, and then international expansion into Asia. So please reach out to me on Eric with a K at disruptive-technologies.com if anything. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Eric. So these are the 3-minute pitches. So let me reopen my slides again. So can you see my slides?
Not yet.
Can you see anything now?
I mean, yes, it's
okay, great. So again, thanks for staying with us. Probably just take a couple of questions from the Q&A. The last I saw it empty. So I actually prepared 1 or 2 questions, so I would just voice out and then the companies can answer us. So one of the questions that I have is, what type of partners would you be interested in Singapore and other Southeast Asia countries for the next stages of your business growth in this area? Business partners or innovation partners you'll be interested? Perhaps we can start with Carlos from BaseN.
Hello. Yes, we are looking for innovation partners and business partners as well. So distributors or probably companies that can engage with other companies that require to enter into the Internet of Things and the smart living solutions to be more competitive and to add their value added. So we can develop the technologies for those companies, or we can train our partners for them to develop the solutions to the end customer and to the end users as well.
Okay, great. What about Markku from Connected Finland? What type of partners will you be interested in Singapore and other Southeast Asia countries for your next stage of growth?
Yes. Hello. Thanks. So basically, business partners would be keen on finding solutions to collect data from facility or for facility management use cases with super low cost, long lifetime, plug and play off the shelf product and solutions. Cases which we can engage together with our local partner, Unibis in Singapore.
Great, thank you. Next, how about Paul from Nornir?
Yeah, so we have successfully arranged event with students and universities, creating hackathons and stuff like that, where developer tools that we have created are used by the students, and has been very successfully. We're also looking for partners like IT companies, consultant houses that want to look into new technology for smart cities to reduce their cost on implementation. So yeah, so we provide tools for developers. So any company that do technology in innovation is interesting for us to work together with.
Okay, thank you. Next, Juha for Haltian.
Yes. So what we are looking for is have partners, customers, and the other companies who are looking to innovate, create, improve the smart buildings in residential, in commercial, and in industrial environment. We're here to help those companies to do that.
Okay, thank you. And then next we have Pauli from SmartWatcher.
Yes, we are looking for partners for the sales and of course also pilot sites. So we want to find the companies who are interested to promote high quality indoor air quality monitoring.
Okay, how about Eric on Disruptive Technologies?
Yeah, 2 types of partners. We do not have a complete solution. We do not know what to do with the data, so we need applications on top. So we want those analytics and applications partners on top. Sometimes they are solution partners, a one-stop shop, and then we forward leads to them as well if they use our product. So that's one type. The other thing is that we want customers for high volume engagements. So that could be corporates or larger rollouts, but it could also be OEM type of engagements.
Okay, great. Thank you for answering that questions. I have one last question to quickly wrap up this session. Explain a little about, which one of you are fundraising currently or near time future, and what's the size of the next round? Any of you are fundraising?
Yes.
Yes, Nornir, Paul Christian here. We are fundraising now in November. We are raising 2 million euro, and we have closed 1 million euro. So we need to raise another 1 million euro, and then we will be ready for launching our disruptive invention. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone else?
Yeah, Disruptive Technologies here. We're likely raising next year as well. Not decided on exactly on the amount. Maybe between 10 and 25 million euros.
Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, SmartWatcher. We are currently looking for investor. $2 million or euros is what we would need.
Okay. BaseN Connected Finland, Haltian, I guess you're not fundraising at the moment.
No, Haltian is not fundraising at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, Basin is not is not raising either.
Okay, thank you. So we actually exceeded the session by 5 minutes. So just to wrap up the session, I want to thank for your participation and the attendees who have stayed throughout. Apologize again for the technical error. Just to let you know, all sessions are being recorded. So we'll be sending you the company's pitch deck and also the recording session for the main and the breakout rooms. So once again, thank you to all the Nordic companies and the attendees, and have a nice weekend.
Thank you very much, Jackie.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So all the
Thank you
listeners,
very much.
Jackie. Have a nice weekend.
Have a nice
Have a nice
weekend.
weekend. Yes. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.